Welcome to another session of LearnToBuildIt.com. I'm your host, Steve Kirscher, and today we're going to talk about the 16 by 2 LCD screen for the Arduino. We're going to focus on the screen today. I do have a couple sensors hooked into it just to demo the sensors, so I have something to display on the screen. But today is about the 16 by 2 LCD screen. So here we have the setup that we're going to be dealing with. We have a 16 by 2 LCD screen that we have hooked into a potentiometer to be able to change the lightness and darkness of the screen. I happen to have a temp sensor and a photo sensor, photo light sensor hooked to this. So when you put your finger over this, you can see that the light sensor increases and immediately displays on there. Also, if you grab the temp sensor, you can see that the temp goes shooting up. Now, I happen to be blocking the light sensor with my hand also. We have this hooked to a Arduino Mega, and overall, it's a fairly simple hookup. The one thing you do need to do is solder the clip onto the LCD, or at least most of them do that, and then some other little hookups. The reason you do need the potentiometer, though, is you have to be able to change the brightness on it. You can see you get these square blocks, or you can completely make it dim. Now, the potentiometer that I am using is not the appropriate one for it, so I can actually only turn it a tiny bit and it fades out, and I still have 3/4 of a turn to go. But, you know, again, for this sample, it's what I have, and it will work just fine. So make sure you check the blog. The blog will give you the entire wiring diagram, fritzing diagram of this circuit, and I will explain a few different things on it. I will also explain the code with, like I said, each line, 16 characters across, 2 characters up and down. They are labeled 0 and 1, which is very important to know. And again, look at my code. The fritzing code is on my blog. Some other information on how I hooked it up and why is there. And then we will get into the sensors in another video. Thanks for watching.